In this video, we'll learn how to remove the search bar option on the home screen of your iPhone. So as you can see, I have the search bar above my iPhone dock, and every time I click on it, it will open the search option where I can search for specific applications or files on my iPhone. But if you find yourself accidentally clicking on that search button and it's annoying to you, then you can easily turn it off or disable it. All you have to do is to open the settings on your device, then we will scroll a little bit down until you can see the Home Screen and App Library option. Once you're here, you'll have a couple of settings which you can customize, but in order to remove the search bar from your home screen, all you have to do is to turn off this option called Show on Home Screen under the Search section. It's enabled by default, but just turn it off, and when I now go to my iPhone home screen, you'll see that we don't have the search bar anymore. Instead, we'll have these little dots that represent the home screen pages. And that's it for this video, everyone. If this was helpful to you and you want more similar tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon.